Project 1 for CS50 Web. So this is the main logic here in the application .py file. So we're looking at the kind of code base right here over on the left. That's where all the magic happens. So here in the application .py file, this is where the register, the login, the logout is the search, the books, the individual book rendering, the reviews, the delete, and the API. That's where all the routing is contained. So we can go ahead and take a look at the web application. So here's the main front-facing portion of the web app. As you can see, it's built with the Bootstrap library. It also uses this really cool font, awesome icons here to give it a little bit more of a pop. So we can go ahead and register. Alright, so we've got username 3. So this is how the web application changes. So when you're logged in, you've got the option to look at all the books and then do the search. So if we were to log out again, it just go ahead and logs us out. So we're given different options here. We're going to go log back in. Boom, and then we're logged back in. So we can go take a look at all the books here. So these are all the ones that are pulled in from the database. There's quite a lot here. You can see Farewell to Arms by Ernest Hemingway, and then other books as well, all the way down. Cool. So in order to kind of find a book a lot easier, we implemented this search feature. So let's say if I want to go look for Shakespeare, instead of scrolling all the way, we can take a look here and see we've got all of we've got 4 books by Shakespeare in our library. So what would happen if I only searched by Shake? If I forgot Shakespeare's last name, we can find it by that partial search. Cool. So everything with SH, let's say everything with Shake, and then there we are with all the Shakespeare's books, and then this other book as well brought in with the partial search feature. Cool. So we can go look at the complete works. Here we've got 2 other reviews already put in. We've got some details here about the book. We've got the ISBN and the year. We've got the user reviews. We've got average rating of 4 stars here by username 1 and username 2. Some good reviews, some good content. And then we've got the Goodreads API here pulling in the average rating for the book. It's 4.5, and you've got a number of ratings. So we can go ahead and write a review. Let's give it 5 stars. Great job on the book. We can submit that there, and then we've got a little bit of a thank you for completing a review, and then it changes our average rating, so it increased the rating for the complete works of William Shakespeare, and then we can see our review here as well. Cool. So let's see. So I went through all the reviews and everything, went through the books. Now let's look at the API. So with the API call here with the ISBN, it gives us that API information. So it gives us the author, average score, ISBN, review count, the title, and the year as well. So that API is built in, and the average score for the users changes each time. Or sorry, each time review is then posted. Cool. So you can actually go in and check out this review. It's possible to actually delete the review as well, and then gets you back to that review score. So, right. Cool. So that allows the user the ability to go ahead and delete, and they actually cannot post any more reviews. They can only post that one for each book. So again, this is JT Williams, and this is CS50 Web Project 1. Thank you so much.